Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right. Well, we're going to take a look at some statistics from July. The hottest temperature, 99 on the 26th. Now, it was 100 downtown and in other spots around the city. Officially, 99 is about as close as you can get to 100. 64 on the 22nd. Now, KCI, 4.29 inches of rain, which is about a quarter inch below average, and 2.25 of that fell on the last day of the month. But there were some other areas around Kansas City that were a couple inches above average for the month. And the average temperature just a little bit above average, about 1.5 degrees, 79.8. That's when you average the high and the low together. So when you look at this year's rainfall across the city officially, or officially in Kansas City, it's mostly been above average rainfall every month in precipitation except for February and July. And we had the 4th wettest April, the 23rd wettest May, and the 10th wettest June since records began back in 1889. So that puts us 7.67 inches above average rainfall for the year. Olathe is over 6 inches above average, but not everyone in Missouri is above average. Kirksville, 5 inches below average for the year. And when we look at the last 7 days, the rain kind of played out like this. So on the Kansas side, 2 to 3 inches of rain. A few spots had a little bit less. On the Missouri side, 1 to 2 inches of rain. A few spots had 2 to 3 inches. Blue Springs to Buckner. But when you zoom out, Kirksville only a trace of rain the last 7 days, and then it was a little wetter off to the west. Now, northern Missouri is not in a drought, but they are drying out, and the corn is still pollinating, and August is soybean month. So northern Missouri could use a nice, good drink of water. There are chances of thunderstorms coming up. Hopefully, northern Missouri will be included. And it takes an inch of rain per week to keep the yard green. I haven't used my sprinklers yet this year for the first time I can remember going into August without having to use the sprinklers. But it's been an interesting summer for sure. And there are other areas that have been drier. Now, it's been pretty wet out in Kansas, and it was wet the last 7 days as well. What's going on? Well, we take a look at the satellite picture. The storm from the other day is now moving into the eastern United States. It's brought down this cool air mass. And as I'm recording this at 7 a.m., it's 100 degrees in Phoenix, Arizona. It was out in Palm Springs years ago, and it was 100 degrees at 10 o'clock at night after a high of 122. It wasn't humid, but doesn't make any difference at that temperature. It was a very strange effect being that hot at night. But that's where the heat wave creating machine is doing its thing out there. We're in northeast flow aloft. That's why we are a little cooler and having some decent weather. By the middle of the week, the heat wave creating machine is going to sit there and reorient itself. And there's another heat wave creating machine off the southeast coast. And the main jet stream is going to sag south. That main jet stream comes south. Cooler air comes south, interacts with the summer heat and humidity. And you can get a zone of some stormy weather at least for a few days while this is set up. And Kansas City is in that zone. So is northern Missouri. Now, everywhere in that zone is not going to get hit, but it definitely a zone where your chance of getting hit with thunderstorms is higher. And so we are in that area. And when we take a look at our powercast here for today, we're looking great. Temperatures in the 80s, high pressure way up there in Canada, sending us a little cooler air. And the heat's off to the west. And on Monday, we have the high heat out to the west. Here comes a cold front with that jet stream beginning to sag south, 60s and 70s in Montana. And then on Tuesday, this is where it starts to get complex. The high heat is down to the south, separated by a warm front. We're having summer heat, normal summer heat, the ridiculous summer heat to the south, and there's a front to the north beginning to stall. And this is where you start to get at those thunderstorm chances. And when you look at our rainfall forecast, this is Monday through, or this is for the next 7 days, basically. So for today, tomorrow, no rain. And then you fast forward this, you can see through Wednesday, no rain. But watch what happens after Wednesday morning into Thursday and Friday. We get into this zone of rain and thunderstorms, especially Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday. And we are looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. Some spots could see 2 to 5 inches of rain. And yes, that would include the entire viewing area, which would be nice. Even if it shifts around, we're still in it. So we should get some rain here in the middle end of the week. Areas that don't need it and areas that need it should get it. So as we take a look at the forecast for today, super summer weather, great summer weather, awesome, around 85, light wind, abundant sunshine, and a little haze in the air. That is some light smoke, light to moderate smoke in the air from these Canadian wildfires and the wildfires up in the Pacific Northwest, but it's aloft. and it shouldn't get thick. It should just keep it a little on the hazy side. And around 85. Then tonight, clear, calm, comfortable, 60 to 65. And then on Monday, we are looking at 85 to 90, abundant sunshine, and slightly warmer conditions, but still the humidity under control in the super 10-day forecast. 90 on Tuesday, then there's those thunderstorm chances Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, and then it starts to heat up next weekend. Some data doesn't have us as hot. We'll have to see, but we're going to go with the hotter scenario. And if it does get hot with no rain, it's going to get steamy again because of the rain that happened on Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy.